Hello, good afternoon, Kobe Hotel. This is Michael De Jesus, Hotel Reservation Office. How may I help you?
I would like to reserve a room for 3 on the 14th of February.
Okay, sir. Let me check on our list for a moment. The 14th February, right?
Yes, please.
Sir, would you like a smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking, please.
Sir, we have the Orchid Suite and Presidential Suite available. The Orchid Suite has a king-size bed, a spacious bathroom, and luxurious amenities. While the Presidential Suite also has a king-size bed, a spacious bathroom with jacuzzi, and other luxurious amenities.
So how much the Orchid Suite?
It's only 10,500 per night, sir, inclusive of bath.
I see, that will be fine.
Okay, sir, could I have your name spelled, please?
Yes, it's NIKKOCONINGCO.
Okay, sir, what time will you arrive and how many days would you like to stay?
6 p.m. and we will be staying for 7 days.
Sir, what mode of payment would you want?
Credit card, please.
Could I have the credit card number, sir, please?
Yes, it's 214 143 123.
Okay, Mr. Kuninko, we look forward to see you.
Okay, goodbye.
Thank you, Mr. Kuninko, for calling. Have a nice day, sir. Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Kobe Hotel. How may I help you?
Yes, good evening. I am Mr. Kaninganito. I made a reservation about a week ago for an Orchid Suite.
Yes, Mr. Kuninko, we're expecting you tonight. Sir, kindly fill up this application form. Sir, you are using your credit card.
Yes.
Can I have your credit card, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, here's your credit card. Excuse me, sir. This is your hotel ID. Serve as security. We request you present your ID each time you claim your key. Mr. Kuninko, your room is on 516. Our bellboy is Mr. Jeffrey Sarmiento. Will accompany to your room.
Good evening, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.
I know how to make them stop and stare as I zone out. The club can't even handle me right now. Watching me, I go all out.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Kobe Hotel. How may I help you?
Yes, I'm Mr. Kaninganico.
Ano ba yan? Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Kobe Hotel. How may I help you?
Yes, good evening. I'm Mr. Kaninganico. I made a reservation about
Wala! Ulit! Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Kobe Hotel. How may I help you?
Yes, I'm Mr. Kaninganico. I made a reservation about a week ago for an orchid suite.
Yes, Mr. Coningo. I'm expecting you to come tonight. Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Kobe Hotel. How may I Hi, good evening, sir. Welcome to the Kobe Hotel. How may
Pre, mali. Kunyari,
May ginagawa ka pa?
Sandali lang.